everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just doing a quick video. This is a thank you video to this guy right here, Pappy Tinkers. Pappy had a 1,500 subscriber giveaway, and he gave away 3 prize packages, and I was lucky prize package winner number 2. So I just wanted to give you guys well, first I want to give Pappy a shout out. I did not have a shop card from him before. I don't know why I never got one. Well, I know why I never asked for one. But yeah, this is very cool shop card. Got some great words on the back. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate that. He also sent me a cool sticker. And that will go somewhere probably on this well-used cutting mat I have here. The mat's probably, man, 30 years old, if not older. But first of all, we got to pick a model. This is the kit I picked. I've not done a Yanko before, and I'm looking forward to doing a big block Nova. That should be a cool build. He also sent me, I didn't even know he was going to do this, but he sent me this cool police car Timex watch. It's a Waterbury Clock Company. That's pretty cool. I'll find a battery for it. Get that going. Now he sent me sanding sticks. These aren't the ones that he sent, but they're similar to these. And for the life of me, I don't know what I did with them. I've been moving things around, rearranging stuff, and I know they're somewhere here. They're still in the bag. But yeah, I'm not sure. They're from Scale Finishes. Along with these alligator clips on a stick. These are also from Scale Finishes. So I gotta find those. I gotta find those for sure. Now, I guess Pappy does a bunch of different things. He has a lathe, and he turns wood and plastics and stuff. So he created these beautiful, these are actually knives. And he has a video of him actually turning these on the lathe. So he did 2 knives. Well, he did 2 acrylic knives. These are an acrylic block. And he did 1 wood. And then each person that won something or won a prize pack got to pick out their different colored ones. Now, I chose this one. I love the coloring in this. It's so cool. I went to show it to my wife, and she's like, "Oh, no, this is mine. This is my pen." Oh, it's not a pen. It's a knife. Never mind. You can have it back. So I fooled her on that one. She thought it was a pen and she was going to keep it, but it's a knife. Not even sure if I want to even use this, but I will. The other thing he made is this cool snowman. So I don't know. I might try and paint that up a little bit and see. Simple painting with the airbrush, maybe. I don't know. But like I said, this was a prize package. I'm very grateful to have received it. Doug, thank you very much. You're a great guy. If you've not seen his channel before, please go and check it out. I'll leave a link in the description for Pappy's channel, and you can check it out. He does some amazing work. He's got some very cool model builds, and he's just an all-around awesome dude. So yeah, that's what I got. So anyway, hope everybody has a good one. Take care. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so I think I have something to share. Yeah, I do. So anyway, talk to you later. Take care. Take care of your families. Get some bench time in and be kind. Thank you. Bye.